Okay, it's our stiletto race at the beach.
Yes.
Stilettos?
It doesn't look like a beach, but...
The beach stilettos, look.
It's the beach stilettos.
You just...
Okay, that's more. I'm gonna win and you're gonna lose. Alright, I'm gonna win. Oh, there's something else. You're gonna lose. No, you're not. I'm gonna win. You're gonna lose. It's over.
Okay, guys. Are you ready?
No, wait. I gotta put my slippers.
Okay.
I don't know what they are. Stiletto or something. Okay.
You little puny girl! You're so stupid!
I'm gonna kill you.
1, 2, 3, go! Pretend like you're shopping, girls.
Go away, you stupid girl! Go back here, you stupid girl!
I have an idea. You never knew about.
Oh. Whoa, you guys. So you know who won? You did.
What?
Is that true?
He cheated!
No, you didn't. Did you cheat, sir?
Nope, I did. I just found it somewhere.
He came here and I went here.